And this year it had 10 monarch caterpillars on it. And the little cluster over here had 7 that I could count. And I'll show you a chrysalis that hasn't hatched out yet. And I saw 2 this morning, butterflies, 2 monarchs. So I'm hoping, in my mind, I'm hoping that they come from here. I have no way of knowing that, but. And I always just have a little patch for myself, and then this is for all the pollinators. The bees adore it. I don't know if they make pesto, but I kind of imagine they do. It's just wonderful. It's just finally come to its glory. It's just beautiful now.